how to fix WhatsApp calls easily and fast. Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls easily. First thing you have to do is open the settings, go to the apps, open the WhatsApp, click on this option here in the top, and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the calls permissions. Go back, click on data usage, make sure that all the network access are enabled, and last thing you want to do is make sure to update your WhatsApp into the latest version. If you don't know how to update it, it's very easy. Just open the Play Store or the App Store, search for WhatsApp and click on update. If the problem is not fixed yet, then you have to uninstall your WhatsApp and reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.